Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And yep, we could be in a bit of a pickle right now, obviously, with all the news that's coming out and how the markets are taking the news and reacting to it. It's pretty bearish at the moment. We can see that the the SP 500 and the Dow Jones, basically all major indexes, took a pretty big hit today. On the news of one or I don't know how many COVID cases that have been confirmed in the U.S. now, but so far I think it was one. That's what I read. At least I think that's what I read at work today. And yeah, definitely we could be in a bit of a downtrend at the moment. Obviously, still holding my short on this SP 500, which caused Bitcoin obviously to sell off as well. We can see we were doing pretty well up until then. We went up to 59,000, I believe, and from there on we came back down to try and hold 57,000 as support. Once again, we can see right here this level, this green resistance box or support box now acting as support, trying to hold up the price. Obviously, I don't like to see it tested too much. When we do see it tested a little, like too many times like this, I think we could possibly be coming back down, breaking back down, maybe going to test some lows once again. But Ethereum, we could see that we had some nice resistance right here running into 47.80. So if you would to play some shorts right here, you'd be in quite a bit of a profit at the moment. I believe 3.5% or 4%, depending on how much leverage you're using. You can make up to 200% if you're using 50 leverage, 400% if you use 100 leverage. Obviously, the higher leverage you use, the more risk you take on. Right, if you're risk averse, then yeah, definitely use more leverage, and you can make amazing gains. Oil also down to $65 a barrel as the markets are starting to price in oil consumption and use for the future for the next 3 months possibly, to see if airlines are going to have a substantial reduction in it. Silver actually taking a big hit as well, but we're gonna focus more on crypto. I keep looking at all my commodities and all my indexes, but yeah, we'll see that right now everything's pretty much down except for Solana up to $229. Nice breakout from these levels. So if we would obviously, if you still held that trade from 200 that I outlined, then you'd be in a 13% profit at the moment. So congratulations to you. You guys deserve your gains. On the daily time frame, Solana looking pretty good. And let's take a look at market cipher for Bitcoin. On the daily time frame, we were looking quite nice. It looks like we could be potentially reversing back down now. Right, curling over these EMA ribbons, acting as resistance now on the daily time frame, and on the weekly time frame. Once again, not looking the greatest with the 19. It's not something I really like to see, obviously, but we'll see what we're gonna do. 12 hours starting to curl up a little bit. We could probably see maybe this could be a potential short entry, but I'm still holding on my longs with faith, and so is Rick. But obviously, if the fundamentals change for the market, then yeah, the technicals are kind of out the door and you got to react to what the trend is going to be. Anyways, guys, hopefully this video helped you guys and gave you guys possibly some perspective of where the price could be going in the short term. If we do, end up breaking down, the market starts to tank, obviously we're going to get stopped out on our trade. But obviously it's not our entire position or our entire portfolio. We never trade with our entire portfolio. We only trade with a fraction of it, right? I'm trading with a very small percentage, and especially this is just a copy trading account, right? I just help people make money on their own. So, sorry, not on their own. I help them make money while I make money. But yeah, if we do start to break down, we can see we got a lot of support levels to break before we go to lower levels. But we'll just have to see. Keep up to date on the markets. Read the news in the morning. See what the government's going to do. If the government's going to start to cut off, if the government's going to cut off the taper, right? Start QE again. That's more money printing. Then you should buy more scarce assets like Bitcoin, gold, Ethereum, right? Silver, real estate, right? And then everything will go up eventually. But if they're not going to do QE, right, and they're going to continue to taper and actually tighten monetary policy while the COVID thing is going, which I don't think is going to happen, then obviously, Bitcoin, gold, everything is going to go down. The stock market is going to go down, especially because, everything is so levered up on low interest rates. Then when we do raise interest rates, it's going to be a complete disaster. Anyways, I got very tired. Lots of stuff is going through my head right now. But honestly, I think that if COVID does get worse once again, then yes, we could be headed for potential market correction, and I will be looking for more shorts than longs. You guys have a wonderful day. Make some really good trades, and I'll talk to you guys later. If you haven't already, you can use the BitGet link, get $630 in bonus, and get 10% deposit bonus on your first deposit. Love you guys. Peace.